Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change name on Tinder. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it in general, unfortunately changing your name or age in Tinder is not possible once your account is created. So Tinder does not allow edits of these specific details after initial setup. So to change your name or age, you will either need to delete your existing account and create a new one, or you can once try to talk with the customer support for any further assistance. So you need to ensure you enter the correct information during the new account creation, and this will allow you to have a changed name on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many updating and interesting videos like this.